Okay, let's talk about it. With a toothbrush. She does her eyeshadow with a toothbrush. What? There's really only one thing to do now. I think she has foundation on, so let's do that first. I feel like that's a little risky. A little risque. Okay, so that's done. She said she was using face paint. So we're gonna be using this lovely clean palette. I think we're gonna do a rainbow kind of moment. First, I'm gonna do the yellow. We're gonna have to get a little closer. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this. Okay. I think it's okay. Now the orange. And this is the final look. I kind of feel like an artiste. Picasso who? We're getting a second opinion. What do we think?
Artsy and pretty.
We approve.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl.
Okay, so people constantly tag me in this and want me to try it. I don't have the red shade, but I do have this pink one. I don't think it will look good. But I also have these, and let's see how it will work with them. Okay. Oh, here we go. By the way, this is tattoo lipstick, so let's hope it doesn't stain my face forever. Adding a little bit more. Ooh, I love this as a blush. Look at the difference. The other side. Looks like such a nice natural blush. She also did the eye. And just because I feel like I want to use something that peels off, I'll use this. It's our blue lipstick. And I'm done. It is very much giving Snow White. I love it. We are finally reviewing the new Lash Rocket Mascara by Freck. It's a conditioning, nourishing, daily use mascara. It's also a lash serum, so it makes lashes appear fuller, longer, and stronger. It's also supposed to be highly pigmented. It separates and defines lashes so you can stack it up. So if you know me, you know I have no lashes. I am no long lash queen, so I tried this one. I have been secretly using it for a while. Let me just show you how it looks. We are gonna zoom ourselves in. I like to apply a thin layer first, not to go overboard, and then I let it dry. During these 4 weeks, my lashes have had a transformation. I could never have dreamed of my lashes even showing up, and now you can see they are separated, they are thriving, and I have noticed they've gotten much fuller. This for me is a lot fuller. And look at the bottom ones. This is my final look. Dental floss as a lip liner. Let's give it a try, I guess. I'm gonna use this lipstick. And you just rub it on the lipstick. Okay, fingers crossed. I want to fix this one a little. Honestly, it looks really pretty. I wouldn't do this every day, but it is a super fun hack to try. You guys tagged me in this a million times. And okay, I'm gonna try it. I don't have that like beige tape. And it's actually a national holiday in Croatia, so I have nowhere to get it. So we're gonna use this. Okay, what she does is goes around her nose. The bad thing is you can't really breathe. So I did cut little holes for my nose. And now you're supposed to tape one more here. I feel like an arts and crafts project. I'm gonna be using the Sigma gel eyeliner. And honestly, I'm shocked. It looks really good. This hack works 100%. Honestly, that's me when I do my fake freckles. You guys always ask me how I do them and how they stay on my face for a long time. And I usually use this. It's the tattoo brow from Maybelline. So let me show you how it's done. Not me pretending like I'm some kind of a freckle doctor. I'm gonna do them with my earring because I have nothing pointy. When life gives you earrings, make fake freckles, I guess. So I kind of go around randomly and I kind of tap them with my finger. And I usually repeat this until I look like a cute little strawberry. Strawberry? I think I went a little too far. Might as well do my brows. My crazy brain was like, try it as a liner. Might as well work, I don't know. How? And I mean, how did this escalate so quickly? I think I need a hobby or something. So I'm gonna go watch a crime documentary and I'm gonna get back to you in like an hour. See you then, be there, be square.
I'm scared, okay. Oh my god.
Now girl, I know that you did not just smear blue glitter on your lips. And how did I manage to look good? That's some witchcraft. And now I want that, you know. Here I have the glitter. Is this gonna look good on my lips though? We will find out right now. But first some dry shampoo. Wash your hair sometimes, Jesus. I'm also gonna need that eyeliner, ma'am. So I'm just gonna... This line is straighter than half of y'all on this app. I present to you the wing. Are they twins? Are they sisters? Are they even related? Now we gotta do the, you know, that. Period. I'm pleased with the situation. These lashes, they're giving. And just some freckles because it's an obsession at this point. This dark purple lipstick going, but something's telling me to use this. Black never disappoints me, unlike other things in life. I should do this more often. Now I have these three and I can decide between the purple and the blue. I think it's gonna be the blue. Okay, turquoise, don't attack me. Okay, let's see how this looks. To be fair, like this, it looks really, really pretty. Okay, we're gonna pick up some of it with a brush and it's a little bit more green than I would like it to be. But I like it. Let me finish this up. I am finally done. My final conclusion would be that I like it. It looks pretty badass. The transition videos I'm gonna do with this, definitely stay tuned for that. But what do you think? This is the viral Amazon lip plumper. And you already know I have to try this. There is the day and night version. The night version is more like lip care. And the day side is the lip plumper. I ripped it a little. It is very cute. It looks like a little pill. I'm only gonna do it on one half of my mouth, so you could see the difference. It has no smell. Ooh, it's already tingling. Ooh, I feel like they're getting bigger. They are super tingly. It is really visible. It also gives the lips some nice color. I'm gonna put it all over. Oh my god, they tingle so much! Honestly, look at my lips. It works like 100%. Go off lips. Did we all just see that? This is an eyeliner that's also a lash glue. You know I bought it. You know. It is here and it is bedazzled. So let's see if this works. I already made one line, but I messed it up, so I'm gonna film it again. The pigmentation is okay, but what I really want to know, is it a lash glue? I have these brand new lashes, so let's try it out. So as you can see, this is a new lash, completely not sticky. Now I'm gonna place it on the liner. Here it is. Let's see how strong the glue is. Oh, pretty strong. It's also supposed to be waterproof. And I really want to test that out. My 3-minute video feature is not working, so I'm going to post part 2 right away. So sorry, besties, but I can't do anything about it. See you in 10 minutes and let's test if it's waterproof.